Para makagawa ng logo, punta ka lang sa iyong Shopify at dito sa Customize Your Online Store and then click Online Store sa left side. And after clicking the online store, go to Themes and click Customize. Then, mapupuntahan mo na itong side na to. Punta ka lang dito sa left corner and Settings and click the logo. Then, here I have a logo already uploaded. So, I change it and by clicking the change and remove image. So, I can show you how to put an logo. In here, you can click the add image and then find kung ano yung logo na gusto mong ilagay. But if you don't have, you can use the Canva. Ito yung editing platform ko. You can use this and go in here and put logo. So you can try to make your own logo by your own. So here, you can see the square. In this side, at the left side, you can see the finished product of the logo. So, ito yung mga ginagawa ng iba nating mga logo editor. So, already, meron na dyan. Pero, syempre, palta natin ng mga gusto nating ipalit. So, how to change that at mapunta natin dito. So, gawa tayo ng sarili natin, guys. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano. At dito sa gilid na to pala, pwede kayong gumamit dyan. So, here, yan sa gilid na yan, may mga elements. So, pwede tayong kumuha dyan ng ating ilalagay sa ating logo. And dito nga, elements. So, ito yung napili natin. So, trial and error tayo ngayon kung ano yung maganda para sa paningin natin. So, nag-try ako nito. I try this one. And para mapaltan yung background, click yung yan. Click mo lang yung nasa taas. And paltan natin ng black. And this, punta ka elements. Hanap ka ulit ng gusto mong gamitin. So, we try this one. Kung pwede natin siyang gamitin. So, dito rin makikita mo ang iba't ibang mga pwede mong matingnan or mga pwede mong magamit. So, dito ulit, pwede mong paltan. Yan. You can change the color by clicking the color at the top. And then, makikita mo sa may right side mo yung different colors na pwede mong pagpilian. And here naman, may text naman siya sa may gilid. Makikita nyo yung text. So, may mga pagpipilian kayo dyan. And here, I try to click the add a heading. So, here, you can put the text here. And let's try to put the aura. So, that's my logo name. So, Aura Vital. Let's try to look for the better position for this one. If you are not satisfied, you can delete it and find another one. So, I'm not satisfied, so I'm trying another graphics. So, in elements, you can use this graphics also. So, I erase that by clicking the image and then click the erase button at the top. Yan. So, you can play that. You can do everything you want and you can change the color by clicking the image and then click the top color there and then click sa right side nyo yung color that you prepared. So, I prepared this color because this is my theme color. Kaya sa aking online store is hindi siya nawawala. Next, hanap tayo dito sa ating text. So, meron ditong good text. So, mas maganda ata to kaysa dito sa ginawa nating aura. So, we erase the aura and then click this brimstone. So, palta natin siya ng aura. So, mas prepare ko siya kasi ito siya ay nasa theme color natin. So, itong call, gawin natin siyang vital. So, paghiwalayin lang natin just to make it very beautiful. So, simplehan lang natin, no? Laruin lang natin yung paggagawa. So, like this. Yan. So, kung gusto nyong palitan yung ating vital, gusto nyong dagdagan lang muna natin, ayusin muna natin siya. And if you want to change the color of the letter or the text, you can click the upper side and click the text which shown all the colors na gusto nyong ipalit sa kanya. So, by now, hindi muna natin siya prepare. Ayusin lang muna natin siya. And here, pwede nyong palitan ng position. Pwede nyong ayusin sa ating letter spacing. Yan. And here it comes. Yan. Ayusin lang natin, guys. Kasi hindi siya maganda. So, this is a easy tutorial para sa paggawa ng logo at the same time is how to put logo in your Shopify online store. Click share if you are satisfied and click download. Then wait for it. So pupunta siya sa inyong laptop or computer. So save nyo lang kung ano yung prepare nyo na name ng ng na-prepare nyo na. Then go to Alt Tab sa inyong keyboard. Tapos, add image ka dito and then click mo yung iyong ginawa na image and then upload it and wait for it until it's done and then click done. And here it comes. So, eto na siya. Meron na tayo ditong logo. So, yan yung logo natin na ginawa lang ngayon lang. So, napansin natin yung vital, hindi siya ganun kakita. So, let's try to edit again and change the color of the vital. So, puntahan mo lang ulit, Alt-Tab ka sa Canva mo ulit, and then go to vital. So, this is trial and error. So, because it's not so clear na makita, so paltan lang natin yung color niya. Dito sa may effect, sa may taas, makikita nyo ang effect and then click it. May mga pagpipilian kayo. You can choose whatever you want. But here, I'm looking for the better one. So, if you are satisfied for what you're looking for, and if you are satisfied with the editing, so you just click the share again and click the download. So again, it's downloaded to your laptop or your computer. And once it's downloaded, you can use again. Click sa keyboard ang Alt-Tab and then go to logo and change it or remove it. and then add image here and click yung bago nyong gawa, the new one. Click it and click once done, click done, and boom, this is our logo now. So here it comes. That's our logo, Aura Vital. And click save. Don't forget to click save after you're done. So that's it. And here you can go to your online store. So view online store, and boom, this is our logo in our online store. Thank you.